All right. Hello, present people. Today I wanted to show you a quick update on where I am in the process of building presentOS. The goal of this operating system, this app, is to support modern makers and to help you become a more calm, inspired and supported designer, creator, builder, human. Present is for everyone who is brave enough to do their thing. And the goal is to help you as a modern maker by giving you powerful tools and a carefully curated library of inspiration. This app should become your secret weapon when having trouble starting your thing or maintaining your thing. So what you see first is the dashboard that gives you a preview of the different areas. First we have here the daily reminder, which is a new piece of wisdom every 24 hours that you can copy, share it directly, save it to your library, to your saved items. This will later become part of a larger wisdom database you can access. Next is a preview of the present flow stages, and I will go deeper into this section in a moment. Then we have the inspiration stream, which is basically present TV with a playlist of inspiring videos to refuel. Then you have a preview of the present library, which I call the active archive, where you can also sort between newest and featured, a preview of the ecosystem, the newest from the community, tools and resources, and the sensei. What we also can do is change, which I call mood for now. So here's where you can go through different backdrops of the whole application, and this will stay when you browse. So let's go to the flow. Basically what you have here in the deep flow is the timer for deep work sessions. You can switch between different timers, and what I'm using every day as well is you can have nature sounds and ambient sounds and play them at the same time and mix them together, which is something I'm using a lot for myself. I love to mix, for example, a light rain and some soundscapes, but I like to mix the volumes. So this is really nice for that. So I can start them, pause them. You always have this nice little gong, and your sessions also get locked here. You can also just hide the lock, so you have a bit of a more pure experience. And this is the first version of the deep flow timers. Next session in the flow stages are these breathwork sections. So we have the golden breath, you have the box breath, and also the wild breath, which is 4, 7, 8. I really built these tools also for myself. I'm using them every day. Then we'll have meditation and what I'm calling for now the tapes, which will be present mixtapes. All right. Let's switch from here to the library. Maybe also change the mood. Maybe this one again. So for the present library, for the first time, I'm bringing in content from all issues, which will be then exclusively available in the OS. And you can sort them in interviews, essays, dojos, and can also sort by topic. So fashion interviews, by philosophy, design, and so on and so forth. And of course, you can also search and reset the filters. Okay, next up is the tools. I just switched the mood here. So we have creative unblocking, which are present principles, which are basically life lessons to support you when you're stuck. And there will be many more coming also in the future. Then we have all sorts of resources on managing time and energy, which I call the present protocols. And essential wisdom is the section where I'm assembling all the present summaries, a curation of powerful books on living life as a modern maker. Then we have the community section, all work in progress, just to give you an idea. In the community section, you see the newest present people who joined, you see the trending posts and the recent ones, and you can also switch directly to the different sections in the community. And the last thing I wanted to show you is the account page that I'm building, where you will have a member card, you can edit your profile, you have your saved items. And yeah, this is it for now. I will keep you updated, especially on the mobile version, which is also pretty far right now. And thank you for listening and see you in the next update. Thank you. Bye bye.